Hey, this is Part 64 Guy. This is kind of a part 2 to the gas log video. You can see the link right there. Decided that it was not worth fixing the old unit. It was about 20 years old, so getting a new one installed. This is definitely beyond my limited capabilities, what I feel comfortable dealing with. I don't like dealing with gas. So having a company come in and do this is the company that have serviced my oil furnace and also supply my propane. So they are coming in and they are installing, you can see here, they are installing a brand new set of gas logs. So the old one is gone, it's been taken out. Those are the logs over there. I'm going to run a pressure test right now just to make sure the gas lines are intact and not leaking. And if all is good, then they'll get it fired up. The pressure test passed, so we now have the pilot lit and running. The set we chose is the R.H. Peterson Real Fire G10 series with charred Frontier oak logs. We like the aesthetics of the new logs, so we are removing the original brass frame and doors. That has exposed the old brick, which is covered in a layer of soot. Some research showed that a baking soda paste should safely clean these 1960s era bricks. So first I'm going to put a towel down just to catch any drippings so it doesn't get all over the brick below. Alright, we're going to start with a paste I've made of baking soda and water. I start by applying the paste to the brick with a damp paper towel. I suppose you could use a rag or shop towel as well. Apply the paste to the brick and the mortar joints. Judging by the clumps falling, my paste could use a bit more water. After letting the paste sit for a few minutes, I use a scrub brush dipped in warm water to scrub the brick faces and mortar joints. Rinse the bucket and scrub again with fresh water to remove all the soot. In this time lapse, you can see the brick drying. I don't know about you, but I thought it looked kind of cool. Alright, I would say that looks pretty good. Most of the brick is back to matching the area surrounding. Alright, so the new fireplace is all set and running. I've got the remote, and I've also got a carbon monoxide and explosive gas detector there, so if something does go wrong, we'll get an alarm. But let's fire it up. We got some heat down here now. Nice. All right, so hopefully this gave you some tips on just certain things that can be done. In this case, it was replacing a fireplace gas insert that obviously I was not comfortable doing, and I did call in the professionals to have it done. But I was able to do a little bit on my own, which was the cleaning of the brick to be able to remove the old doors, which isn't really needed for this case. It also allows us to really enjoy the aesthetics of the gas logs. So that does it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see and you want to see more, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and as I do more videos, I will get them to you. Till the next one, this is Part 64 Guy. See you later.